guys, so welcome to the Pro Access room, and if you're up here, you're probably interested or curious about what my premium room is for and what is it all about. And I'm going to run you a little bit through it, and I'll also give you a little bit of an insight inside the room and inside the course as well. So basically what you're going to be getting is Monday through Friday live markets monitoring and commentary. Sometimes we also comment on the weekends depending on the strength of the crypto market over the weekend, and if there are interesting moves, I'll certainly make comments up into the chat room as well, and I'm not going to let you guys hang. Also, there's going to be trading opportunities. We've done a bunch already, and there'll be more into the future, so this all depends on what the market offers, and I follow pretty much strict rules on entries and exits, and I look for opportunities across all the markets here, from equity market to commodities and forex and cryptos. And then we try to put up Elliot Wave lessons, and pretty much every single one of my updates is pretty much a lesson into the Elliot Wave, because you get to see firsthand how I'm counting the moves and how the way I'm looking at the markets. And then there are regular chart updates that you can refer to into the channel, and you can just scroll up and see what's the most current count and what's the alternate counts as well. And then there'll be video updates pretty much every day, if not twice a day, sometimes in the morning and in the evening as well, where we go through what happened during the day and what's possible to happen tomorrow, or what are the next probable moves into the market. All right, so we also have a member chat room that's associated with it, so where you guys can post charts and talk about your trades and talk about different scenarios and patterns that you see. And then I also have a 7-hour course available that I'm going to run you through here shortly. So let me take you a quick run through the room here so you guys can see it a little bit. So basically this is what you're going to be getting. There's a bunch of posts here about different charts, and like I said, regular updates. Here we talk about the dominance chart, the way I'm expecting it to continue kind of towards the downside, and how we use that to our advantage when we pick up trades. I have a member video update here that I'm gonna let it run for a little bit so you guys can hear it.
Hey guys, good morning. It's Crypto Cowboy. It's about almost 9:30 here, Chicago time, on the 12th of February. Coming to you with a morning chart review here. Let's start with Bitcoin. All right, so the price has been kind of slowly, unless this happens, kind of a top up here around 270. If we are, then I'll look for the next swing levels on the downside, which are pretty far, because the extensions wave 4, and I place it up here. And I continue to stay bullish up here. Could be completed. The targets were reached, but no indication yet of a reversal. So it's kind of tricky to trade. We're going higher up here into the price of gold. There's a couple of variations here. This also could be a.
So as you can see, this is just a little bit of a snippet into the video that I've made earlier this morning, where we talked about our trades and the markets in general, and how I'm looking at everything. And then I offer charts for gold and obviously Ethereum. We were monitoring this one ever since it started to move up higher from these levels, and right now we're reaching 272, 273 as I'm recording this, which is pretty amazing for Ethereum. We continue to expect Bitcoin to go higher. I think we're in a pretty nice advance into this market. This is one of the trades that we've watched, is the BAT, with the entries and the stops and then the targets that were hit here not too long ago. I think they were last night. And then the regular and constant updates about the market. So you will see here everything you need, and if you have any other requests for any other charts, I can post them and talk to you guys about it. But you can basically see here is another video update. Like I said, we do them almost twice a day, every day. There is a lot of details in here, so I hope you guys will find this beneficial to your trading and use it in conjunction with whatever other tools you might use. But if you're focused at Elliot Wave in particular, this is the place to be, because you're going to get quite a bit of information here. Here we're talking about so this is the trade opportunity in bets, suggested trade, and we already hit the target. So this is one of the examples that I give you out there. And then we were looking at Ripple, monitoring for entries, watch the corrective price section as we pull back in Ripple, and then we turned basically from here and we went all the way up higher. We're expecting Ripple to move towards 35 cents. Just so this is the kind of information that you have. This was another trade that we took up in IOTA, which was, pretty nice with a very nice risk reward here. I've talked about this one in some other videos as well. So, this is just a little look into the room. So let me also take you here quickly so I can show you the course. I think I've made a presentation on the course a little earlier as well in a different video, but I just wanted to make sure that you guys see what I have here. So if you subscribe for about 3 months or 6 months, you're going to get this course for free. So if you like the room, if you want to give the a trial for about a couple of weeks and you decide you like it, you might as well just get a 3 month, because you're going to get this course automatically. And if you're a new trader or a new Elliot Wave, you can learn a whole lot about the wave principle, and then you can understand a little bit better what I'm looking for when I posting stuff on the charts or in the room, and when I engage in discussions about the markets. So this course is a must, and I hope you guys can take advantage of it. We take all the core patterns from motive, waves, impulses, right, diagonals, zigzags, and flats. We talk about them in detail with examples and charts. Then we look over at the combinations, almost 35 minutes here talking about how the market's correct, and when you have this dreadful complex combination, what happens and how you need to be patient. And then we talk about projections, fibs and ratios, and golden ratio especially. Then I have a bunch of other practical tools that we use into the market to our advantage, and tips and tricks, and then how to trade all the waves, and with your entries and exits. So pretty specific rules about how to trade the waves and how to become profitable. All right, and then I have a bunch of PDFs here that you can download, and you can refer to them as you need to. All right, so this is basically the room, and I hope you can come and take advantage of it. And let me take you quickly back to the access here. So all you got to do is just go and press this Elliot Wave Cafe bot, and it will give you the options there. I look forward in seeing you. All right, good luck and trade well. Bye bye.